This topic is newsworthy because it's what all of biology basically forms around. So controversial among students, even though evolution is basically a proven theory. In school, we only scratch the surface of it to avoid controversy. History. Charles Darwin observed chimpanzees and gorillas. He flew to Africa to study more about where humans evolved from. His ideas offended British royalty and provided academic conflict. For well over a century, centuries later, we now have studied and analyzed and understand that you, me, and everyone we know is technically African.
History of human evolution.
So many scientists have gone so in-depth in evolution just because of Charles Darwin's theory. Lewis Linke in 1972 really dug into fossils from literally millions of years ago.
Jane Goodall, one of the first female scientists, actually deserted herself from humanity and spent a month in the jungle studying monkeys and chimpanzees. She came to the conclusion that monkeys are very similar to humans, actually, and it is very likely we evolved from them. They are much more intelligent as we think because she gained their trust by living among them. Pros. Some pros are survival of the fittest. It basically shows animals that are stronger and more intelligent will survive and evolve versus the weaker ones will die out. Another pro, not necessarily it's a great thing, but it gets kids questioning their religion, which is interesting at our age because it opens us up to new perspectives, and so that's why we thought evolution should be talked about more.
Cons. Well, it's not an active process because it takes species millions of years to evolve. Those that manage to evolve survive, while those who don't die out. It most affects schools because species won't evolve within 100 years. But whether or not to teach about it is big controversy among schools.
Dun, dun, dun.